Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer drawer assembly in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new freezer drawer assembly. This drawer assembly is located at the top of the freezer compartment. The main reason to replace the drawer assembly is if it cracked and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open both French doors. Next, I'm going to open the freezer door. And now I'm going to pull out the drawer. As far as it goes. Now we need to open the latches on the side here. Right, as you can see, we have here a locking tab. And we have the same thing on the opposite side. And I'm going to press it down and push the rail back to free this. I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side. The only difference is that I will lift up on the lever. And I'm going to push the rail back. Now I'm going to lift up on the drawer assembly and move it out. Okay, so I removed the box from inside the drawer, put it on the ground here, and now we need to remove this rail. Both rails actually, one from opposite side. They are installed exactly the same way. So this is our locking tab, and what I need to do is go from inside, and we're going to press on it hard, and it's going to unlock. Then we're going to slide it and turn the front, and as you can see, here is also that tab which overlocks over this bracket here, like this. So I just slide it off. Now we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Put this one on the side, turn it over. Here's the tab. Press it up and remove that. This is the old freezer drawer assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. After we remove the basket from this drawer, we need to install these rails. So one on each side. This end goes first. I'm gonna place it over that tip and bring it here, and we're gonna press down so this will lock down and this way. Turn it over, and the second one. All right, now I'm gonna place it into the freezer. We're now gonna bring that drawer in, place it down, and now we need to install these rails on both sides into the rails that attach to the side of the freezer. That goes right inside of those rails. Then we're going to push it in so those tabs will lock. And I'm going to place the box in. And I'm going to close the drawer, close the freezer, and now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, Please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.